Now student, today I will discuss Olympiad 2010 and 2020. Now look at fast math is given. Math number 1. Some letters are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4 as given. Arrange the letter to form a meaningful English word and select the correct option. So 1B. 1B is the answer because 2 is E, then 1 is T, 4 is P, ETP, 3 is Y, ETPYM. Now number 2, find the correct water image of the following word. So water image, you see that D. D is the answer. Now number 4, which of the following option will complete the given figure? So 4C is the answer. C is the given figure because look at, in circle there is a square, in a square there is a triangle, in a triangle there is a circle, and in triangle there is a square. You can easily find out the answer. Find the number of triangle in the given figure. Math number 8. 8B is the answer. 11 triangle are there. In math number 6. 6C is the odd one out. Why? Because in a square there is 2 triangle upside down. In a C 6C. C is the answer. Find the missing word if the same rule is followed all the 3 figures. So what is the rules coming? 7A is the answer. In 16,1647.305 is the place value of 6. Place value of 6, you see that 1 stands 100. Place value of 6 is more than that of 3. So 3 is 3 by 10. So what is the answer come? 16C. C is the answer. Arrange the fraction in smallest to greatest. 17. First you do the LCM of the following and then change all the denominator into like fractions, and you can easily find out all denominator must come equal, that is equal to LCM. 17. 17C is the answer. Number 23. Find the unshaded area of the given figure. So first find out the total area outside figure and then then 3 on both sides. 3 plus 3, 6 is subtracted from AB, and here 2 plus 2 4. 4 is subtracted from 23. 23 is then 23 answer is, I think, C. C is the answer. 24. 17 less than temperature shown in the thermometer. 70 less than the temperature. Which temperature is less than 70 degree? 70 degree less. So 24. 24D is the answer. 67 is the answer. Next, how many lines of symmetry does the given figure have? 26. So line of symmetry you can find out 26. 26. A is the answer. 0. 0 line of symmetry. There is no line of symmetry here. Now, how many figures are parallel lines? 30. How many of them are parallel lines? 30 number D. 30D. 30D is 4. How many figures are parallel lines? 4. Now, find out the perimeter of the given figure. First, see all the sides. Find out the value of all the sides and add them. All the sides must be added. 31. 31 answer C. 31C is the answer. So answer is given. Here answer is given C61. Now 33. Which of the following options shows the successor of the number on the given abacus? So first find out the value and make the number, and successor mean 1 plus. Do 1 plus. You can get the answer. 33. 33 is the answer. I think B. B is the answer. 11. Sorry, 33 B is the answer. 11 not. This one B. Now the 35, the given bar graph represents the number of toys manufactured in company in 6 months. So look at first, find out all number of toys and how many more number of toys manufactured in May and June. First find out May and June together, then January. So plus find out May and June, add them and compare with January, subtracted from January. You can get the answer 35 A. The cost of 1 kg potato and 1 kg onion are 25.20 and 35.70. If Rakesh bought 3 kg potato and 5 kg onion, find the total number. So 1 kg potato, from 1 kg potato you find out the value of 3 kg potato multiplied by 3, and from 1 kg onion you can find out the value of 5 kg onion multiplied by 5 and then add them. 41. D is the answer. Rishi had a box containing 240 packets of pencils. If he gave 1 by 4 of the packets to his sister, then how many packets will left with her? So 240 into 1 by 4, you can easily find out number of pencils given to the sister, then subtracted this value from 240. You can get the answer. So answer is 42. A. A is the answer. 43. A shopkeeper has some kites in the shop and he bought some kites more on the Republic Day and sold these kites. How many kites we left in the shop? So first, total number of kites he bought these kites more. Or this, so add it. Shopkeeper has this one. He bought these kites more on Republic Day and sold with these kites. So one is plus, other is minus, and you can get the answer 43. D is the answer. There is some books are to be arranged equally in shelves. If 384 books are arranged in each shelf, then how many shelves will be needed? So do division 44. B. B is the answer. Do division, you can get the answer. Sahil bought 2 bottles of oil. Bottle A contains this and bottle B contains some oil. How much oil is bottle? Do subtraction. So 45B is the answer. Do subtraction, you can get the answer. Man number 40, Mansi practice on her guitar 7 hole 1 by 2 hour in a week. If he practice 1 hole 1 by 2 hour on each day, then how many days does he practice each week? So in 1 week, he practices 7 hole 1 by 2 hour. If there is 1 and 1 by 2 on each day, so in 1 day, find out how many hours. 1 whole 1 by 2, that means 3 by 2. So in 1 day this one, and in 1 week you find out, that means you multiply this amount with 7. Now how many does he practice each week? So 40 is the answer, I think. A is the answer. "39 an ant travelled 15 meters 67 centimeter first day and 7 meter 54 centimeter more on second day than the first day. So add both of them, you get the second day. Now add both the find the distance covered by ant on second day. That means you add it and you get the answer 39. D is the answer. Arun brought AC for this month money and laptop for this money and LED TV for this. Find the total amount. Do addition. 38. 38 is C is the answer. A boy practice for his school competition for 35 minutes every day. He will practice 11 days. So find out in 11 days how many hours. One day, in 1 day 24 hours, in 11 day 11 into 24. Now multiply this value with 35. Then you get the number of minutes as the answer 37. C is the answer. What is? Study the figure carefully. Find the sum of shaded fraction of both the figure. Number A. Find the difference between the shaded fraction of both the figure and shaded figures. So find out the value 48. B is the answer. B is come answer. So both answer is given. Find it out. Very easy. Find it the shaded part and find out the total part, total number of square, and find out the fraction. Total by shaded. And you can find out the number of shaded part in both the fraction, and also unshaded total, shaded by total. Unshaded by total and unshaded by total you can find out. The given graphs, number 50, the given graph shows the number of students absent in a school on 5 consecutive days. Study the graph, carefully answer the following question. So first question is given, find the total number of students absent in 5 days. So first find out the number of students in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This is the work done first. And now find the total number of students absent in 5 days. So total number of students absent. So what is this one? Absent student. So add them, you can get the answer. Now 50, C is the answer. Now what is the fraction of number of students absent on Thursday to the total number of students absent in all the 5 days? So total number of students you can get it easily. Now what is the fraction of? So first you find out the total number of students in Thursday, then divide it by total number of students in 5 days. So you get a fraction, and this fraction is, I think, 50C. This is 1 by 14. So 1 by 14 is the answer. And total number of student absent in 5 days is 70. So from the graph you can easily find out, because all dots are given in proper way. You can find out from x-axis, there is y-axis, the number of students is given, and the x-axis the number of the name of the week is, name of the days is given. So you can easily find out this answer. Thank you, student.